dark. Uncle Tiny. That's Steve.
I love his
He
hair.
reminds me of Stuart.
Yeah. Is that Bill?
Yeah.
There's Belle.
Oh, you're making foam.
Stevie Doomer.
It looked like Stevie Doomer.
Yep. Oh, what was that dog's name?
I don't know, Skippy.
That was when we lived at Norwood Young American.
Ooh, that was some fast
Said
panning.
Eagle Lake.
Wow.
What was that?
Fast panning, I said.
And is that Tom?
Yeah.
This is awesome because
His
Tom
worst
looks
step.
so much like Robert.
See, they
Yeah.
got
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, Mom, that's when you thought I was walking, and then
Yeah, I thought so.
I didn't think I was that little.
Oh,
Just
we're
laughing.
Little chaps.
Julie kept getting
She
you.
wants her picture taken.
You can't make me.
My Snickers paper flew away.
And
Julie, did you have to go potty?
Maybe I did, huh?
No, you're fine. That's when we all dressed up. Tom doing his own thing again. I want to go over there. I want to go over there.
He looks a little lost and confused.
Things never change, right?
And this is at Norwood, right,
That's
Mom?
cute.
Yeah. Well, there's Dad.
Yeah, that's a great one.
I remember this was the
Dad.
time where Steve said, I just saw the Easter Bunny.
Oh, and then you scattered, huh? Lots of trees.
Look at how little they were.
Yeah. Now they are no more.
That's how wooded the back used to be.
Yeah. There's our Edna's.
Yep. Mom, you made those dresses for us, I think, right? Oh, there's Edna.
Oh, Aunt Edna.
Oh, that's
Well,
pretty
that's a
cool.
nice snowman.
Yeah, I guess. That was at Edna's, they bet, huh?
No, I don't think so.
That's a backyard, I think, because I
That's
can
our
see the
backyard.
well.
You're right, yep. Wait, that's a
Is it a
lot of
policeman?
kids.
Yeah, it does look like
You got Crazy Horse in there, too.
Ah!
You know, it would be interesting to
I
see
was
what it
just
was like
looking at
back
a picture
then.
of Crazy Horse
Yeah, because he's come
today,
a long way.
or in the last 2 days here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and it showed the progress that had been made.
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
because when I saw it, when did we go out there a number of years ago when the kids were littler, it had made progress from the time, because I thought when we went out there, it didn't look like much at all.
And
I
that
thought,
was a
well,
couple
where
years
is it?
ago,
Yeah.
so
Was it the Needle?
Yeah.
And if you look closely, you can see Mount St. Helens in the distance.
I caught that.
that Julie.
Julie, I think.
Look, go in now?
This is the front yard of the house.
Is that the Slaters?
It looks like it.
Oh, how fun.
Look at all those.
Mary
kids.
under the tree there? Is that
Were we on a
Jamie?
birthday party or
Oh.
something?
Jamie
Ah,
Desai.
yeah.
Jamie, yeah.
Just happened to be all the
Look at all the
all the neighborhood
Oh,
kids.
look at, you don't see that anymore.
Poor babies up here flying around.
Orville Apple doing his thing. That's pretty cool. Beach day.
Oh, I didn't hold that very well because I couldn't see.
That's me on baptism day. Watch where you're going, Bob.